This is our 2019 Bentley Continental GT W12 6 litre. It's in a phenomenal specification with thousands and thousands of pounds worth of factory options. It is in, of course, the best colour scheme, black on black on black. You can't go wrong, and it's very much sought after, of course. From ourselves, people always want, we tend to find anyway, everything all black. It seems to be a very, very sort of desired option. Now this particular car is a one-owner car, 2019 as I mentioned. It's the W12, so you can see there the vents in the front wings, those huge, almost dinner plate size brake discs and enormous, probably 8 pistons I think looking there, brake calipers, and these fantastic 22-inch gloss black wheels with the Bentley gold centre caps. This car is loaded. It's got all the options you could possibly want and more. It is in phenomenal condition, really, really nice to look at. It's been very, very tenderly loved by its current owner and properly babied. It's just nice to see someone that looks after their cars and cares about them enough to make sure that they're right all the time and just doesn't abuse them. And I say that not lightly because we've sold numerous cars that are expensive and not always necessarily looked after, but this is a superb example. You can't really go wrong. So if you are after a Bentley Continental and you like the look of this example, then please get in touch. I'll talk to you now about some of the specification that this has got, because it is a very long list. I've written all the options down which we have received from Bentley, and I've put that down in the text below. But just to clarify, first of all, you've got the Mulliner specification, which of course gives you those fantastic seats, the diamond quilting to the seats with the beluga, they call it beluga, to Bentley, so the beluga hide. You've also got the Bentley stitched emblems on all 4 headrests, and then of course you've got the same on excuse me, you've got the same on the door cards. You've got the diamond quilted stitching, you've got the lovely contrasting red stitching, the entry sill plates with the backlit Bentley logo, and of course the plaque there, made in England. Nice to see that. 1919 to 2019. You can see there the multiple different adjustments you've got for the seats on both sides. You've also got the massage, which then pops up a sub menu on the main screen, so you can select which massage function you'd like. The seats are also heated and ventilated. Got power headrests. They move back and forwards very easily to give you access to the rear. At the back you've got much of the same, so the diamond quilting, the emblems on the headrests. You've got that panel there which comes out for your it's called a ski hatch. Not that I don't imagine anyone put skis in, but there you go. It's got that hatch to put long items through the boot into the rear passenger compartment. Got a cup holder here with a 12-volt socket and some I think the USB charging ports. This car's got the ambient lighting package, so you can select what lighting colour you want, and you can see here everything's beautifully finished in chrome, leather, headlining in black leather as well, perforated. Even things like the seat rails are finished with chrome end caps, just to finish it off. Bentley have taken care of every single little detail. Got this beautiful piano black veneer and chrome across the doors and across the dash. All the switches again finished with a lovely chrome finish. Really, really nice. The carpets are thick deep pile with a contrast binding. And then you've got this beautiful stitching here on the dash, as well as on the door cards, and then this lovely diamond knurled finish to the controls, as well as the air vents, which is really, really nice. And then you've got this Bentley clock in the middle. All these little toggles here, beautifully damped, go up and down really, really nicely. It's a pleasure to adjust. And then the same with these knobs here that you can turn. For example, this one's now selecting what view you'd like for your rear view camera. That's your volume. You've also, on this particular car, got the £7,000 option, the rotating dash. Very much sought after. If you're buying Conti, people always ask, has it got the rotating dash? It's very, very desirable. So you've got these fantastic analog and digital clocks in the rotated display, and of course you can press it again and go back round to the main one. And you can see here, for example, I've just got this on car. You've got night vision, you've got head-up display. Head-up display displays, I don't know if you can see it there, but speed limit, your current speed, a lane assist, and also your navigation if you want. It can display multiple different bits of information all in one small display. It's very clever. You can raise or lower the suspension. You've got the blind spot assist, which gives you the blind spot in the wing mirrors if someone is in your blind spot, of course. Bentley Safeguard, which is like an anti-crash protection system. You can adjust the rear spoiler from, currently it's deployed, you can also retract it as well. You can then of course mess about with the settings. So for example, if you wanted to go to massage, you could choose your different types of massage. And then if we go back, where's the back button? There we go. You've also got massage intensity, so you can really mess about with every single little detail here if you like. It's all configurable. Driver assistance. Got Bentley Safeguard, night vision, blind spot assist, which I mentioned already, lane assist, so you can set how sensitive you want that to be. Adaptive cruise control, again you can set how you want that, how much interference you want it to do essentially. LED matrix high beam assist, fantastic system which essentially will light up the road for you for miles ahead and not blind people coming the other way. Traffic sign recognition, etc, etc. So loads and loads you can play with and adjust on this particular car. Adaptive cruise control is set there, you can see, and all these knobs are finished with this lovely knurled finish and gold coloured rings, so gives it a lovely finish to use. And the paddle shifters here, they're all knurled at the back as well. You've got the heated leather trim steering wheel with the cross stitching, again that's an option. And you can flick through these the menu buttons here: phone, DAB, your night vision, any information displayed, and then you've got traffic signs, Bentley assist. It's all, that's just me scrolling through the options with that wheel there, with that thumb wheel. Lights there of course. And then here you've also got the park assist, so you can actually have the car park itself either in or out of a spot, which is useful if you find a big car intimidating. Then no need to worry, the car will do it for you. So it can search for a spot, you can search left or right, you just use the indicator stalk to select what you're looking for, which side I should say you're looking for, and then you can select the different, whether it's perpendicular park or parallel park, whatever you need, the car will actually do it. And again, the reverse of that, the car will take itself out of a parking space. You don't need to do anything, that's great. So we can switch that on and off with that button there. You've also got the 360 cams, again with the different views. There's also shortcuts here to the spoiler and boot, and you've got the heated and cooled or ventilated seats on this one as well. Dual zone climate control, of course, is a given. You can sync both, so you don't have to adjust both separately. And you've got shortcuts all over here as well, which you can use instead of the touch screen. But the touchscreen's so easy, you'll probably end up using that 99% of the time. Your navigation's got live traffic announcements as well, which is very handy because it will divert your route if it senses there's traffic ahead. You've got apps that you can download as well. If you want to see things like your weather, for example, or news, you can download the apps to there. The surround sound system is phenomenal, and again, you can adjust that to your own preferences and make it exactly how you want it. So things like vehicle will then let you go into your lighting visibility, and you can go into things like your interior lighting and select how bright you want it to be. You can also select the colours in the, if we go back, you can do things like, did I just go into that? Yes, I did. Let's have a look. Lighting, visibility, seats, anything in checks. Is it in the climate setting, is it? If I remember correctly. No, it's not. Okay, I can't remember, I'm afraid. Sorry, I do a lot of these, and it varies so much from car to car, and you try to remember what all the different settings do. But there you go, c'est la vie. I'm not going to spend hours on this video with you listening to my boring voice. And some people, one of my friends told me, actually put this on at night and actually went to sleep on it, just listening to me talking about the cars, which is, I found quite amusing. But yeah, I mean, I love these cars. I've sold a few of them, and they are fantastic. They're just a hell of a bit of kit. They're fast, 0 to 60 in about 3.5 seconds, give or take. You know, over 600 horsepower. I think it's 630 off the top of my head, and all in supreme comfort and style. And it does, you know, it's 4-wheel drive as well. It just does everything very, very well. Just fix that back on while we're here. Sorry about that. It's just little suction cups that do themselves sometimes. I always think I like to show you these videos unedited because you can see it's genuine and it's raw. I don't like to edit them afterwards and, you know, make it all sharply polished, because I think people want to see it exactly how it is. If I'm wrong, by all means put it in the comments below, but I think that's the best way to do things. Sounds great as well, this car. Hell of a growl. I don't want to give it too much noise and annoy our neighbours, but see if I can just give it a few little revs here. It's got the full black pack, so all the exhaust, the trim, the window surround, everything's gloss black on this car, which is really nice, and, you know, suits the mean stealth look of the vehicle really nicely. Now, if you are wanting to buy this beautiful Bentley, do get in touch. We offer superb finance packages with all sorts of specialist lenders that we have on our panel. We also offer part exchange, and of course we offer nationwide delivery to your home. In fact, we deliver worldwide, as we have done on many cars to many customers. So whatever you need, we can help. Just simply give us a call, one of our team will advise the best way we can, and that's all we can do. But anyways, I just want to say thanks very much for watching and bearing with me during this 15-minute video. And if you have any questions, like I say, get in touch or drop in the comments below. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we'll see you on the next video. Good night.